StubGroup's free Google Policy Center is full of resources to help you fix Google suspensions or prevent Google suspensions from happening. My name is John. I am the CEO of StubGroup, and we are a Google Premier partner and the #1 resource in the world for fixing Google suspensions and keeping advertisers compliant with Google's policies. And part of how we do that is through this free policy center. So you're probably asking, why is this free? What's the catch? Well, there's 2 reasons for this. First of all, we want to see businesses be successful in leveraging Google, which is one of the most, if not the most important marketing channels in the world, and we'd like to be a part of that journey and provide resources to help you not get tripped up by policy issues. And secondly, selfishly, we believe in show, don't tell. So we want to show you how much we know about Google suspensions and how good we are at fixing them. And if you dig into these resources and you decide you don't want to do this yourself, you want to partner with the experts who can increase your chances of success in getting back online with Google, well, we would love that as well. So please create a free account, dig in, and if you'd like help beyond these expansive free resources, reach out and our team is ready to have a conversation.